Ropes Organization Walcott Foundation Indian Trust Special Coaching to 8th, 9th and 10th classes Digital Virtual Learning Bangaru Palimani Rugangavar from Pedapunjani by Reddy Pulli Mandal.
Chairman Dhanse Karan. Director Drive Sri Lata.
Hi everyone, this is Umar from Ropes Organization. So today in the exercise 11.4 we discuss about the 10th question. So here 10th question, a capsule of medicine is in the shape of a sphere of diameter 3.5 millimeters and how much medicine in millimeter cube is needed to fill the capsule. So very important question this is for the essay too. Now we'll see how to solve that one. First what they given, that we'll see. Given, see medicine capsule diameter of capsule D is equal to 3.5 millimeters. That's we can write as 7/2 millimeters. That's again we can write as 7/4 millimeters. What is radius? Then volume of sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. So because this capsule is in the shape of sphere. Okay, now medicine is needed to fill the capsule is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. That's equal to 4/3 into 22/7 into here r value 7/4 into 7/4 into 7/4 millimeters cube. Now 4 ones are 4 ones are 7 ones are 7 ones are. Okay, so now finally we got 27 into 7 154 into 7 by 4 4s are 16 16 3s are 48 millimeters cube. That's we can write 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35 plus 2 37, 7 1s are 7 plus 3 10, 1078 by 48 millimeters cube. So here we can cancel with 2 table, 2 24s are 2 5s are 2 5s are 2 3s are and 2 9s are. That's we can write as 539 by 24 millimeters cube. That's again we can write as, if we cancel with this, here 22 24 2s are, again 24 2s are, now 24 4s are and 24 5s are, like this it will come. Then we can write as 22.46 approximately millimeters cube. This is the medicine we can fill in the capsule. Okay, so this is the approx. Okay, so like this, in this method we can find how much medicine is needed to fill the capsule. Always మనము మామూలుగా క్యాప్సూల్ చూస్తుంటాము. క్యాప్సూల్ అనేది ఒక రౌండ్ షేప్ లో మనకి ఒక షేప్ రౌండ్ షేప్ లో ఉంటుంది. దాని లోపల మొత్తం మనకి డాట్స్ టైప్ లో మెడిసిన్ అనేది ఫిల్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, సో మనం ట్యూబ్ టాబ్లెట్ చూసినా కూడా అలాగే ఉంటుంది. సో అలాంటి స్పెరికల్ షేప్ రౌండ్ షేప్ లో ఉన్న ఒక క్యాప్సూల్ లో ఆ మెడిసిన్ ఎంతైతే ఫిల్ చేస్తారో, ఈ డయామీటర్ 3.5 ఉండే ఒక క్యాప్సూల్ లో ఎంత మెడిసిన్ ఫిల్ చేస్తారంటే 22.46 millimeters cube మెడిసిన్ అనేది మనము ఇక్కడ ఫిల్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకేనా? సో ఇఫ్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ దిస్ వన్, ప్లీజ్ లైక్ అండ్ షేర్ దిస్ వీడియో. And here see, if you see this one, what are the important formulas for not only 9th class, for 10th class also, what are the formulas need here? That's we'll see. In this whole chapter we used these formulas only. Now if you observe this one, curved surface area of the cone. Here we can write curved surface area of the cone is pi RL. This is the pi RL. Now total surface area of the right circular cone pi r into r plus L, and surface area of the sphere of radius r is equal to 4 pi r square, and curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square, and total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square, and volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h, and volume of sphere with radius is 4/3 pi r cube, and volume of hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube. So these are the main important formulas to find the surface areas, volumes, okay, so total surface areas. Okay, so these are the main important formulas in this chapter. Thank you everyone.